Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's get all our ingredients ready. You'll need 250 grams of beef, thinly sliced, 1 head of broccoli cut into florets, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, 1 medium onion chopped, and 4 cloves of garlic minced. This prep work is crucial because it makes the cooking process smoother. A common mistake is to start cooking without having everything ready, so make sure to have your ingredients prepped and within reach. Now, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add the sliced beef and cook it until it's browned on all sides. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the beef is no longer pink and has a nice sear. Once done, remove the beef from the skillet and set it aside. This step is important because it locks in the juices, keeping the beef tender. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Next, in the same skillet, add the chopped onion. Sauté it until it becomes translucent, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, add the minced garlic and cook for another minute until it's fragrant. You'll know it's ready when you can smell the garlic's aroma. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can turn bitter. Add the sliced mushrooms to the skillet and cook them until they're browned, which should take about 5 minutes. You'll see the mushrooms shrink and release their moisture. Once they're browned, add the broccoli florets. Cook the broccoli until it's softened but still bright green, about 3 to 4 minutes. This ensures the broccoli retains its nutrients and a bit of crunch. Return the browned beef to the skillet. Now, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and half a can of cream of mushroom soup. Stir everything well to combine. This mixture will create a rich and creamy sauce that coats all the ingredients. Make sure everything is well mixed before moving on. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together and the sauce to thicken. You'll know it's ready when the sauce has a creamy consistency and coats the back of a spoon. If it's too thick, you can add a splash of water to loosen it up. Finally, season the dish with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, the soy sauce and oyster sauce already add saltiness, so taste before adding more salt. Serve the dish hot and enjoy the creamy mushroom beef broccoli with your favorite side. This step is crucial because it balances the flavors, making the dish truly delicious. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.